Hey, Mr. Worst here. Uh, I'm putting together the assignment for tomorrow, which I guess is today for you right now. Look at that time travel. Um, for current, voltage, resistance, and AC versus DC current. C means current. So, anyways, so what I want you to do is when we get down here, I'm building the assignment right now on AC versus DC current. And this first section, the war of currents. First section, you like read this. Again, time travel. You already probably read that up above, and you use that information to answer these questions here. Then what I'm going to have you do in that same section, because again, this is about AC versus DC current. I want you to copy this link here. And you can like select it, hopefully Control C to copy, Control V, you put it up here and let's see, I copy it. So Control C to copy. I know you probably already know how to do this, but if you don't, and then up in the browser, Control V to paste, hit return. Well, it should take you to this circuit simulator if it comes up. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so let's do AC voltage. So click AC voltage. And I'm going to ask you some questions about some circuits that where you build things. So AC voltage makes the current go back and forth, kind of like it washing back and forth. That's how I think of it. I think of it like a washing machine. So if I have a light bulb here, and I'm going to put in some extra wires just to make it very clear where they're going. Okay, I'm just showing you how to use this. You've probably used this before, but in case you haven't, oh, look at that. So you see that the current's going back and forth, the light bulb's going on and back. And so you can create a circuit here where the current is, the electrons are sloshing back and forth. It's alternating from left to right. It's changing these nodes from positive to negative. So this sometimes this is the positive side, sometimes this is the positive side. Maybe, I think that's how it works. Science just kind of guesstimate. Okay, I'm going to see if you can right click on things and change them. Can you edit them? Yes. So if you left click on things, you can edit them. So we can turn up the voltage. Woo, what happens? So you turn up the voltage. And you can also turn up the frequency here too. This is awesome. Look at that. So I'm going to ask you some questions about those things. I'm probably going to ask you some questions. Teacher mind, I haven't made up my mind yet. To use some of these other things as well. So yeah, just know there's a battery. There's this AC voltage thing. Can you change the battery if you click on it? Yes, you can also change the battery if you click on it. Look at that. You can turn up its voltage. Ooh, 120 volts. That's a big battery. Yes, there's other things in here like a dollar bill. Ooh, we could put that dollar bill in the circuit. I wonder if it really has the amount of resistance that a real dollar bill has. Anyways, that's what I'm going to have you do. I'm going to have you use this link to investigate AC versus DC current. Now, spoiler alert, some of the circuits I'm going to have you make are DC. Some of them are going to be AC. I just gave you some hints there if you're like paying attention. And I'm going to ask you also some questions about voltage, current, and what's the other thing? Voltage, current, and resistance. But I'm going to do that in the next section, but you're going to use the same simulator there. Okay. See ya. How do I stop this? There we go, right there. Nope, not stopping. It's not pausing. Uh-oh. What happened? Stop. It's not stopping. Oh, well. This is going to be kind of funny. Okay, come on. Maybe I need to move the screen around here. Oh, I got to click the... It's because I got the little hand. Okay, what if I close this screen? Now can I do it?